What's going on in the XRP community? We're taking a look at the daily chart this morning of XRP USD. Bitstamp will be the chart data here. XRP has made a very nice run off of some support down there at the 47,715 area. Looks like we are roughly sitting up about 24 to 25% since, let's see here, about the middle of October, about a 25% move, potentially running into a little bit of resistance here, little struggle ahead for XRP. We'll have to see. We have made it up to the 60 cent. We're trading at 60051 currently. We have a cluster of resistance levels, and you can see that by the candle wicks above these bodies here. So we have, let's see here, 59,749, 64.50, and then 61.60 right in here, a cluster of levels. Also, if you look left on your screen, the lower end of this range, even this consolidation here is definitely weighing down on the price, as we had yesterday's candle wick, and then so far today we've had a pretty good range actually. The lower end of the range looks like it came down to test just about the top end of this, and then some, which was the 24th of October. So we'll have to see. I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing lose a little bit of steam here and maybe trade back. But on the other side of that, it's in a pretty good and so far healthy looking trend higher in price. So if it doesn't cool down, I also wouldn't be surprised. We're at a nice angle here. We're creating higher highs and higher lows. Higher lows, higher highs. We'll see where this low comes in here. But, we'll see. Until the trend is broken lower, it's tough to want to run in front of this. But like I said, there is some resistance on the price. The next area that's similar to what we're seeing right now, if we continue higher here, is up there at the 68 cent level. So that puts us up here, 68 to 69,374. That would correlate with this basing structure here. So if we can clear where we're at right now, which is around the 60 cent mark, slightly higher, 63. The next spot is 68. So we'll see. Like I said, either way, I would be okay with what happens here. That would put the price up to 68, 14 to 15% higher if we get up to that next consolidation. So far today, we have just about an unchanged candle. Bitcoin is slightly down. Looks like we're down 0.6%. So I wouldn't be surprised to see XRP cool off here and maybe start to trade sideways, if not trend down a little bit, similar to what we saw here after the 24th of October, where we had a couple days sideways and then we started to break out again. Let's see if that happens, or are the bulls, super hungry here and going to push the price up into that 63, and then next target is 68.69. Some days start off slow and then end strong, similar to yesterday. Got a long candle here, so all the way until 8 p.m. on the East Coast. It's the 1st of November. Take a look at the 3-minute time frame real quick. We'll jump off the daily. You can see how the levels here are playing out as they should. And we did see a nice double bottom here in the 3-minute. So I want to show you here the 56,528 level. Found support there. Very nice. And that was the bottom. And we rallied all the way up. We actually went past 59,749, 64.50. Found resistance, and this is the resistance so far at 61,060. Pulled back sideways. Sold off pretty good yesterday evening, last night, but we did find a double bottom here right around that 58,218, which is where this candle wick here found support. Got us back up to our next level at 59,749. And then we've kind of been doing the ping pong method here, or the ping pong analogy in between these two levels, which is 64.50 and 59,749. You can see we got up, support, resistance, and so forth. So we'll have to see, does this thing roll over? Or does it break back up into and towards the 61,060, putting in some new highs here? Time will tell. We are watching our levels. So anything's possible here, guys. We could see strength coming to XRP because we are in a very nice short-term uptrend. That is very, very nice looking healthy uptrend. But then again, even the strongest trends higher usually will take pauses in between that rise, unless it's a single pump, and then, that's a different scenario similar to this. We went from a huge consolidation to one breakout, and then that was it, and then rolled over. So this slow and steady to the upside is a little bit easier to read and kind of predict, give or take, of what might happen next. So XRP sitting here at 59, just about 60 cents. We are at some resistance. Let's see if the bulls continue to run the price up. We are 63 to 68, 69 are the next targets. Or if it rolls over, that would be healthy as well. As long as it doesn't go too low, the uptrend will continue higher. Guys, that's my thoughts on XRP. Have a good one.